So what I'd like to do now is get a wee sip of water and bring on my colleagues. And what we're going to do tonight is you'll get a mixture of mostly poetry, but some stories or not, and even a wee song. So the first one up tonight is Davie Kerr, and it's Davie's from Armadale. Davie's, I think he's just about retired now, Davie? No long. And Davie was a builder in Armadale for years, and the Armadale laddie, and this is called the Wooin O Meg.
I see you've more than one romantic poem jump to read out tonight. I don't think I've got a wee bit all for this thing. Anyway, the Wooin O Meg, it was written by an Armadale chap who now lives in West Calder. Erchie Broon, I don't know whether you know, but it's by West Calder. And this is his poem, The Wooin O Meg. Big time was I a joker, fu o daffin, and daft ploys. Came bashfu with the lassies, get fella with the boys. He loo'd sweet Meg McCracken and sighed when she passed by, but never did she give a glance or let him catch her eye. Yae Halla-een, he made a vow, I'll meet her face to face, to see if she might fancy me. I mun try, just in case. With love inflamed, his fevered brain just wasn't thinking strecht. I'll need a wee bit drama to lend my coortin wecht. He lookit out an old tail coat, glengarry, and a mask. Now, after all this trouble, I will hardly need to ask. He stepped up boldly to her door, where it lay off ajar. He heard her singing softly, like an angel voice. He thought, this is the very time to claim this lass as mine, so dinna fash, just do it. I think she'll like you fine. He moves into the kitchen and drap it on your knee. I've come to claim your hon, my lass, so come along with me. Meg was gay famous for her scones, a dab horned at the bacon. She saw this madman bursting in, the poor lass started quaking. The rolling pin was by her horn, she thumped him on the head. There's Tam let out a waesome groan, and coop it down. When Tam came tea, he found his head was cradled on her lap. Oh Tam, dear Tam, what have you done? And down her tears did drap. He cooked an nae mair for me, sick daft like ploys or tricks. Just think, my lass, what micht have been if you've been split with sticks.
Davie Kerr there with the Wooin O Meg.